Hey, what's happening, heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. So I'm going to talk about this shoe. It's the Air Jordan 1 High 85. And the reason why I'm talking about this shoe, it is releasing on February the 14th. We'll have more detailed review of this, but it's a real controversy going on right now because Jordan Brand has raised the price of this Air Jordan 1 $250. I do think that's an outrageous price for this pair of shoes. As you know, last year in 2023, Air Jordan 1 Retro Highs did retail for $200. And now all of a sudden, it's not like no normal, price hike. Usually, Jordan Brand will raise the price by $10 or something like that. But to go up 50, and that just seems outrageous, especially in the time of the economy that we're in right now. What do you think about this, my brother? Since you're the one man, how do you feel about charging $250 for Air Jordan 1 High 85 cut? So go and speak on that.
No, man. Like I agree with you, my brother. It's ridiculous. Air Jordan ones. I mean, I get it. It's a retro '85, right? But to spike that price, right? What's different about the shoe? I mean, drop us a comment down below if you guys know the difference in this shoe from them to mark this shoe up like they did, right? I mean, it really don't make any sense with Jordan Brand going with that. And I agree with you with the world we living in today with everything going up. I mean, I was just at the store and a carton of eggs is about $7. Right. So now I got to make a choice. Hey, my Jordan ones or a carton of eggs. So it really don't make any sense what Jordan Brand doing. It just baffles me that they just want to mark it up like it's too easy for them to do that. So hey, yeah, I agree with you, man. It don't make any sense of marking that up.
I mean, unfortunately, I see these shoes selling out, unfortunately, because sources say that this Air Jordan 1 will be extremely limited release. And they're saying that only 23 retail partners will have the shoe available to raffle off or give away. Each shoe shop will have their own promotion and rollout of the shoe. This is the first time that Jordan Brand is pushing these. We have seen some of the athletes in these photos, which we'll show right here. Jordan 1 band logos on there to kind of promote the hype. Like if you don't know, like Jordan Brand and Nike is getting back to, they're starting to use these brand ambassadors to push their products. So anybody's that affiliated with Jordan Brand, then they're going to be using them to promote these products this year. Unfortunately, the Jordan 1 High Reimagined Chicago's, they, did sell for like $400 and still selling for $400. So that's why I see resellers are still going to try to go for these. And it's going to make this shoe very limited for the regular people like me and you to get if we want. I know for me, that price is too high, so it's pass for me. What about you, my brother?
It's a pass for me as well. I mean, the working class man like you and I, we can't afford to buy J's at that price, especially 85. They really don't make any sense. And they make sense for them to have the athlete, right? The ones who can afford them to promote them, right? What about the everyday working class citizens out here, right? Allow us to promote something, right? To make sense with it, but it don't make any sense. I'll be passing on them as well.
So comment down below, sneakerheads, will you be going for these Jordan 185s? But moving on to the Jordan recaps. So these are the shoes that came out from January 5th to January 11th. I'm going to go ahead and start off. So on January 9th, we did have a Kobe 5 Protro. This was the eggplant. As you know, this came in a men's price point of $190. And congratulations, because they all sold out.
Mm.
Just to let y'all know, as you don't know, go check out that video right there. But they did have a red pair that came out, but that was only Chinese exclusive only. So those shoes will only be releasing in China. So if you want those, you have to get them on a second market app. But let us know down in the comments if you grab you a pair of those Kobe's. What we got next, my brother?
So on January the 11th, we did have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat. This was a family size shoe that released. Men's were going for 200, grade school going for 150, preschool, aka babies, were going for 90, and those toddlers, aka baby kids, were going for 75. This was a clean shoe. And round of applause for Jordan Brand. All sizes did sell out. All sizes did sell out. hey, drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch them up. This is a clean shoe. It really makes sense for the winter months. I really loving the shoelaces, what they did with this shoe. It's just a clean shoe, right? So nice work there, Jordan Brand.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.
peace.